About to eat some good KFC. Got our Mountain Dew, biscuits, chicken, mac and cheese. There's Sarah.
I said no.
Okay, she said no. So she won't, for the remainder of this video, she won't be in. Right, Sarah? I love me myself Mountain Dew. Kentucky Fried Chicken's awesome. Look at this. I found an original Slinky. Look how old it is. It's all rusty. Everyone loves the Slinky, Slinky, Slinky. They don't make toys like this anymore. Go, Slinky, go. Yeah, Slinky. Hey guys, this is me, host of Orange. Glad you don't know me. Sorry I haven't came up with a lot of new videos recently. I've been mainly busy with work and friends and family. I've been really trying my hardest to make great videos and maybe one day get that silver replay button from YouTube, but you know, I doubt it'll ever happen, but who knows? Maybe one day it'll happen. I really want that reward. I mean, it's not really an award, but this is like 100,000 subscribers, but I'm only at 420 right now. So, I highly doubt I'll ever get it. But, I've been kicking back and relaxing, watching Adam Sandler movies. Yesterday, when I watched Blended, it was really good. I love Adam Sandler, one of my favorite actors. I think you guys already knew that. Yeah. I've been just relaxing after work and staying late, earning that money. But you know, yeah, I've been trying to make great quality content. So one of these days I can win that highest prestige YouTube silver replay button. But you know, maybe I don't think it'll ever happen. But yeah. Is there anything else I need to talk about? Updates. No, nothing. No. Oh, there was a video that there's something that me and Sarah are wanting to do next week. Me and Sarah wanna are gonna handcuff. We were talking about an idea which we handcuff each other together for one whole day and make a whole vlog about us being handcuffed the whole entire day, like. The whole day we have to be handcuffed, and I want to make a whole video out of it on it. It has to be a day when that I have off. I mean, that would be so cool. Me and Sarah handcuffed together. That would be pretty sweet. But yeah, that's an idea that me and Sarah are brainstorming on. Then you'll get to see more of Sarah. I wear my Tom and Jerry shirt. Tom. And where's that Jerry? Jerry. Tom's better. Yeah, other than that, I have no other updates. Just been relaxing, trying to think of some new video ideas. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for another episode of Orange. Glad you don't know me, where random things randomly happen. Signing off.
Take a video of your chicken.
Yeah, I'm dipping my ranch in. I'm dipping my chicken in my ranch. You yum, yum, yum. Rest in peace, Colonel Sanders.